next video. So in this video we will be applying those environment variables which are required for our Postgres database. So yeah, let's get started. So first, what you will have to do, you just have to open Docker desktop, cd it inside your terminal to where your project is located, and here then you will have to apply this command. So it is like creating a secure password for your Postgres database, so that we are not hard coding that password inside any text file or anywhere. So here you can see that the secret name is the name of your secret, so this is not the actual password. And here inside, instead of secret name, you can pass pg password or anything whichever you want to do, and instead of key equal to value, you will have to pass pg password equal to whatever your password you want to set. So I have just set it as 12345 asdf. Now this key is also important because we will be referencing this inside our YAML file. So first go to server deployment.yaml, and here below this ports container port of 3001, you will have to add this environment variable. So the pg user, you can see Postgres, pg host is Postgres cluster IP service. So whatever IP service you have defined over here should be the same name over here as well. Then inside pg port 5432, and it should be inside a string. Then pg database is Postgres, and pg password, here you can see that we are extracting the password. So the name is pg password, which you can see over here, the secret name, and the key name is pg password, so which you can see over here. Next, inside Postgres deployment.yaml, all I have done is that again I have created an environment variable, not a variable, like I'm not sure what this is called in YAML. But then inside that I have created a name, and from that I have created a value from secret key ref, a name of pg password, and a key of pg password as well. So yeah, I think that should be it. So again, in the future videos we will have to set up ingress as well. So if you don't know ingress, like it would be a replacement for our nginx which we had used inside Docker, and once that is done we will be able to see our application running. So yeah, that's it. Also, sorry, one thing which I forgot, don't forget to run this command as well, kubectl apply -f creates inside your terminal. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.